This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, performance tires, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 66,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This crossover also has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.